19 October 2025, Pakistan Air Force contingent comprising the cutting-edge JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighter jets, accompanied by skilled air and ground crew, has landed in Azerbaijan to participate in the bilateral aerial combat exercise Indus Shield Alpha. In a remarkable display of operational prowess and endurance, PAF fighters accomplished a non-stop flight from their home base in Pakistan to Azerbaijan, executing flawless in-flight air-to-air refueling operations. The intricate mid-air refueling operation, executed with utmost precision by PAF's own IL-78 aerial tanker, reaffirmed the long-range capability of PAF fighter jets and showcased the professional excellence and preparedness of PAF aircrew to undertake extended international deployments. Exercise Indus Shield Alpha aims to enhance mutual understanding, tactical coordination, and interoperability between the two brotherly air forces. The exercise will focus on modern aerial warfare tactics, joint mission planning, and execution in an environment shaped by rapid technological advancements and evolving air power dynamics. It will also serve as a vital platform to exchange operational insights and strengthen collaborative responses to emerging aerial defense challenges. The participation of Pakistan Air Force contingent in Exercise Indus Shield Alpha reaffirms PAF's enduring commitment to regional stability and global military cooperation. It also demonstrates PAF's unwavering resolve to continuously evolve and adapt to the demands of contemporary warfare, while maintaining its tradition of excellence in every domain of air operations.